breaking down Kava right now. All right, so obviously very bearish still. If we throw this moving average on, yeah, super bearish. So we'll take that off for now, and then we'll just see. Probably looking for sells still because it is breaking lower and lower. Lower highs, lower lows indicates that, bearish. So you can see there's actually some structure here. Price broke, now retested it, staying below us 60-cent mark. So kind of right bang on. We can actually put this right in here. Oh, come on. 60. So it's kind of what we're working with right now. So we'll see if we get a retest off that. But if we look at these lower time frames, yeah, not much. Like really, it's gonna have to break. If we want it to go higher, it's gonna have to break this level and retest it above it. And if not, I just don't think it's happening. Even this 4-hour moving average, 1-hour moving average, price is way below it on all of them. So look, I'd be looking for some sort of short position. So especially because, like, let's see, what was the all-time? Just want to look at this. I know kind of all crypto's been overly down for a while, but the highest this ever was $1.70 way back in May. So okay, yeah, I do think this is just going to continue lower and lower. So yeah, 60 cents is really our main level to sell off of. Put this in here for now, and then I just want to see, and if we just kind of see like what kind of area we're looking at here. It really is between like 60 cents and yeah, like 60.5. So it's really right on the 60 mark. You can see our previous zone was up here. Price, you can see respected again, then broke above it, and then rejected a bunch of times. So this kind of would be a good area for a stop if we wanted to use a stop loss up there. Our normal range for Kava right now is about 10 cents a week. So ideally, if we can get in at 60, and that's the high for the week, we could target 50, which is way down here, which seems like a lot, but I mean that is the normal weekly range. So let's go like this. Move this over to Monday. So I guess the crypto does go all the way to Sunday. So this is kind of our situation for the next setup. You could still keep your stop above this area here, which was our area of liquidity before. Support and resistance, supply and demand, whatever you want to call it. So right in here around 64 cents. So if you kept your stops above that, just in case there's a liquidity grab came up, you'd be okay. And then yeah, I do see it potentially selling off again in this area. And even if it does go above 60 cents, I mean kind of 61, between 60 and 61 is most likely where it'll go, not much more. And if it does, I mean, you got this zone to save you. So really just keeping your stop above both these areas of liquidity so that you're good to go in case there's a liquidity grab. You can still double your money based on your risk, 1 to 2 risk to reward. So whatever you decide to risk on this trade, let's say it's $100, you can make 200. So, or just over 227 is if based on if we're just targeting 50 cents here or whatever, which is the normal monthly range, or sorry, the normal weekly range. If you look at the weekly ATR in the corner here, see on average last week it did 5 cents, but on average does 10 cents. So anywhere between 5 and 10 cents. You can see this week closed obviously very bearish. So yeah, I'd be looking for a retest this upcoming week, and then continuing shorting down. You can see these candles are already pretty weak though, high wicks, but they did make higher highs, so I'm hopeful that it'll come back up to 60 cents here to get in on, and then yeah, continue downwards. So I just want to, there's not really, I mean, we have no, unfortunately with these, we have no previous price history below, these are all-time lows every single day kind of thing. So wish we had some history down here so I could figure out like better targets and stuff, but really we just have to go by range because that's all we got. There's no history, so we know that it moves about 10 cents a week, so we just shoot for between 5 and 10 cents, and it's kind of all we can do. So yeah, I'm gonna set an alert for this, let price come up to it, and then see what it does, see how it reacts right at 60 cents. And then, I mean, price loves nice round psychological whole levels, so 60 is perfect for price to come up to. And then look for a short position. We'll just look for a bearish engulfing candle right at that price. You can see we've recently had a little bit of full structure, so higher high, higher low on this 4 hour time frame, but it's pretty weak. The higher lows, higher highs are there, but you know, as far as like time, I mean, I guess it's been the weekend, but it's just been pretty minimal. So, but ideally, yeah, it comes up a little bit, probably test this moving average relatively soon too, and then yeah, sells off. I think it's an excellent trade. I think it's really fair. I think this is a nice level of resistance. So I think, and then I like that there's this liquidity zone above us to save us, and I like that we can get a 1 to 2 risk to reward for the week. So based on the next 7 days, Monday to Monday, pretty much Monday to Sunday, you know, you get that you know, this full 50 cent target. So, or sorry 10 cent target right here. So in at 60, out at 50, stop at 64. That's kind of what I'd be looking at for Kava. So that's all I got on this. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the next one.